As DIY and design shows gain popularity, homeowners are more aware of design trends and options. But most homeowners don't know how to actually achieve the look they want. If you're looking for a well-designed, cohesive, and functional space, hiring a professional designer is essential.
You have the vision, you know what you like, you know what you want, but how do you make that happen? That is where a designer comes in. They see your vision from start to finish. They know all the tricks to make the magic happen. When you walk into a room and feel good and don't know why, it's because a designer has done her job. And there's no easy way to make that happen other than hiring a professional.
Designer's Resource Collection provides a boutique showroom experience for designers and their clients. With expansive showrooms in Costa Mesa and San Diego, offering everything from luxurious furniture and plush bedding to unique accessories. It's the ultimate destination for furnishing your home.
DRC is a to-the-trade only showroom. What does that mean? We sell to designers, architects, and they come here to curate items. You might see a sofa on the floor that looks beautiful, but you wish it had a different fabric or it's not the right size. That's not a problem. That is what we do. We have all those resources here for them to touch, feel, see, and make their project come to exactly what they need it to be.
The thing that differentiates DRC from any other competitor or any other showroom is that it's so much more than a showroom.
It's more of an experience. It's about the tools being at your fingertips and the experts being there to help you.
Once the home is built or in the process of being built, we do all the pretty things. The wallpaper, the fabrics, the lighting, the accessories, the furniture, the area rugs. They can really see it all. You cannot walk into a big box store and pick something off the shelf that's really going to be so perfect for you. You can come and see what's beautiful and how it's going to fit perfectly into your own home.
Every time you visit Designer's Resource Collection, it's a new and exciting experience. With a continuous influx of fresh inventory and a dedication to keeping up with current trends, you can rely on them to carry exactly what your space needs.
When a designer comes into the showroom, they are coming with a purpose. They've been hired by a client for a project. It's our job to help curate items for them. Then we help getting the product ordered, getting it shipped, getting it all the way into a client's home. They know they can partner with us to make all that happen.
I was looking for a design center to work with, and I visited few of them in Orange County, and I decided to work with DRC for a few reasons. First, the showroom and all the vignettes, come on, it's absolutely magnificent. And they always update, so every time I come, there's something new I can discover. The product they carry is high-end quality and reflect what I'm looking for my client. The staff, the people are so knowledgeable and helpful, so I love to work with them. It was the right place for me and the right partner for me.
No two visits to DRC are ever the same because we are in constant evolution. We are able to take different staple pieces and accessorize them in different ways. If you're looking for something that's unique, bespoke, one of a kind, this is the place to come because we have the tools that will make that happen. From fabrics, finishes, or materials, we give you exactly what you're looking for.
We make sure that we have the latest and greatest in what's happening in the design world so that you have the latest and greatest in what's happening in your home.
It's not just the furniture, it's also the people, the team. The team is amazing, it's knowledgeable, helpful. They make our life so easy, and DRC is doing this for me. And now I consider more DRC as a partner than just a showroom I go and shop.
It is so important to make sure that you're hiring a designer to make sure your vision comes to life. Mistakes are costly, and you know what you want. It's the designer's job to make that happen, and that's just not an easy task. Have the relationship with your designer, make sure that the connection is there, and that you feel comfortable and have the right feeling that this is going to be a person that's going to make your vision come true.
To learn more about Designer's Resource Collection and their bespoke furniture offerings, visit their website, drcshowroom.com. Or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.